Hey guys, welcome to ZOGUO. Here is our main buildings. The first floor we produce the tin copper. This is the cable conductors. And for second floor we produce the raw cables such as HDMI cable, DP cable, USB cable, and others. And the third floor we do packaging and molding and testing. This is our main buildings. And here, this is our warehouse. Yes, it's a very big warehouse. Here is our packaging department. You can see we have 6 men to do package. We do different packages such as gift box, blister, poly bag. We do different packages.
Here is the certifications we got from the Chinese government. Here is HDMI certification for different nodes and different certifications. This is HDMI samples. This is DP samples. And this is NAND samples. And also HDMI hubs. Yeah, this is samples room.
This is our quality department. This is a TDR machine. It's tested different raw cable quantity, and the other machines is tested raw cable materials quantity. Yes, and in this room we have a TDR, flock, and HDR machine. Yes, it's tested different cables.
Fast delivery within 20 days, shorter than most of other suppliers. Warranty of 2 years give customer satisfaction without any worry. Various shipping methods supported.